안녕하세요 여러분, 란입니다. 오늘은 KSI에 가요. This is for Sejong Culture Academy K-Food Culture class. 우리는 불고기 하고 콩나물 냉채로 만들어요. And this is Chef Lily Min. She is our teacher for this cooking class. But 시작기 전에 앞치마를 입어야 돼요. We are going to make up bulgogi. We're just waiting for it marinate. BJ. Terminally. So pretty. And this is our recipe. This is what we're cooking. Bulgogi. Ayan sa for our plating. Chakaning. Chakala.
Okay, how about your food? It's okay? I will check.
Mother judge.
네, 사진 담아요.
아까 이거 해봤잖아, 딴 데.
And that's all for today. Natutunan natin kung paano maghiwa ng mga carrots and vegetables, as well as kung paano magluto ng 콩나물, 냉채, and bulgogi. And on my way home, nakita ko yung butterfly niya. Nani, so I have this cup. And malapit na akong bumaba sa time na ito. Ay lang naman, annyeong, 감사합니다 for watching.